Oh, I wish that I could fly like the birds up in the sky. All the places that I'd see with my friends beside of me. We'd scale the mountain tops together, but I have no wings, not even a feather. Are wings the only way to fly? There must be other ways to try. The wind may carry up my kite, but sticks and cloth won't help my flight. Wait, my plane has wings to fly. It circles trees, it passes by. A toy airplane may take me there. Do they build one that carries a bear? A real airplane could be the one to fly me past the clouds and sun. But a ticket to the sky is much more than this bear can buy. Superheroes seem to fly, kind of scary, but worth a try. But a superscape just can't be found that gets this panda off the ground. I guess this bear can not take flight. I'll close my eyes and say good night. As I sleep, I start to see my bed move far away from me. I see the clouds. I feel the sun. I'm flying with the birds as one. As an airplane passes me, I say, let's race. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I see my house again. I think my flight's about to end. What a night it seems so real to see the places I can't feel. I now know how it feels to fly, to soar through clouds as birds pass by, No wings or feathers for this bear. My dreams at night will take me there. I hope I have that dream tonight. Sweet dreams and have a happy flight.